Morning. Overcast day, kind of foggy. We're gonna go surf fishing. See what we can get. We're gonna be using mullet, fish finder rigs, pompano rigs. Got our PVC pipes. Biking to the beach. We're missing high tide. It's close to sunrise though, and it's like mid tide, but it's falling. We'll see. Usually high tide's the best, but we'll see if we can find some holes. Crab?
What? This is all crab.
It was hitting really hard. Whatever was hitting was not a crab.
Hold on. Oh, there it is. I saw it, guys. It's not a crab.
Hey, first fish of the day. Not bad. He's on the hook and the bait isn't even there. The bait is up the stream.
Well, it's crazy they're biting so like that.
How was the bite? Was it
So
aggressive?
small. I could barely feel the fish.
Interesting.
And then I think they might all be blue. They may not be biting as aggressive at all.
Yeah, tide's not, it's like mid-tide. Pressure's high. Caught a little crab. When you don't get fish, you get crab. You got two crabs. How did you get two crabs on there? Goodness, this bird is so aggressive. He's trying to go after my son. He has that bait behind him. These birds are hungry today. Okay, go put it on the hook, Ezra. You're crazy, bird. I'm not feeding you. No, I'm not. I don't know who you think you are. There's a guy out here I think that feeds maybe this one specifically. They get so tame when you feed them. Those beaks can hurt though, they're so sharp. See that? Oh. Do you have more bait, Ezra? You have more bait? Why? We're not feeding you. It's almost a little unnerving how tame and aggressive he is. Look, he's just following him now. You're a scary bird. What afraid he's gonna like poke me in the back of the ear if I turn my head. We don't want him more aggressive. That's what makes him like this. People feeding him. That other guy feeding him made this bird crazy. Just one fish today. No, that's okay. It's nice to catch fish, huh, boys?
Yeah.
Is that you that reeled it in, Ezekiel? Hard to even tell. I saw it twitching. I didn't get that on film, but then it just stops. I think those blue like to swim in a lot, so yeah, I was swimming in and just reeled it in, and there it was. But actually, you caught 2 little crab.
Yeah.
Caught 2 little crab, and we gave them to some guy I was talking to. I thought he might enjoy boiling them up, so yeah, I guess still successful fish. The tide was incoming, and it was it's kind of low to mid-tide, so I'm not sure if maybe catching morning is as important as maybe catching the high tide, and kind of an hour before the high tide and then an hour after, and just kind of that turnaround. So I don't know, who knows? Sometimes it's one thing or another. Barometric pressure, the full moon, so many different variables. But still a beautiful day. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.